Hey guys, it's your girl Kerry, Kerry, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I did passion twist on my 4C natural hair. So I picked up this pack of hair from Amazon and it's by the brand Toyatress, and I find this hair to be very good. I love that it is ombre, so it has like a number 4 at the top and like a 30 on the bottom. In that big pack came 6 smaller packs, and in each of those small packs are 16 strands. Yes, I counted them. Also, I got in that big pack the crochet needle and elastic bands and ear accessories. So since I'm using the elastic band method, I did not use the crochet needle. So I'm going ahead and I'm parting my hair in fourths because I think that it's gonna be easy for me to deal with. I went ahead and did the elastic band in the back, so I parted the ear small and did the elastic in the back. I'm going ahead and I'm showing you how I got it. So I made that big part, and then I am using edge control. So I'm using the edge booster, edge control, style factor edge booster, I'm sorry, on my hair so that the parts can be neat, because I want it to be as neat as possible. And then I'm parting it small and putting the elastic band around the hair, because that's how I'm going to be putting in the twist. So as you can see, I'm using the elastic band to put all the hair together. As I go along, I'm making sure that as I'm wrapping the elastic band around my hair, I am using one of my fingers to just put pressure on the root of my hair so that it does not pull. I went ahead and finished my entire head by parting it small and wrapping elastic bands around each of the plaits, because that's the size that I want my twist to be in, and I'm going to be doing my entire head just like that. And voila, I have parted and sectioned out my entire head. And now for the fun part. I went ahead and did the back of my hair off camera because I wanted to show you exactly step by step how I got it done. So I did the back off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how I got the twists from start to finish. So I'm pulling out individual strands from how I sectioned my hair in the elastic band. I'm using edge control again on each section just to smooth it out, because remember that my hair is natural, it's 4C, and I want it to blend in as best as possible with the hair. So I'm using 2 strands of the hair and I'm making like a cross and then fold it over each other, and then I am going to affix it to my hair by using my hair as the third section in the plait. So please watch carefully as I do this. So I'm making sure that I cover the elastic band, and then I am plaiting maybe about 1.5 inch or 2, and after I'm done plaiting, I am gonna go ahead and fold my hair into the braiding here, and I'm gonna twist to the end. So I twist tightly until I get to the end of my hair, and then I start to do some loose twist at the end because I want it to maintain that curly form that it came with. So let's try this again. Make sure that you're putting the hair over the elastic band. You're using your natural hair as the third strand in the plait, and I'm plaiting from the root, like I said before, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, as far as you're comfortable with. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my natural hair to one of the braiding hair strand, and then I'm gonna do a 2-strand twist out to the end, twisting to the end of my hair tightly, and then after that loosely to the end. So as you can see, my hair is completely hidden because of the edge control and because of me twisting the beginning tightly, and also the elastic bands are covered. So we're almost done. I had like 63 sections, and for some of the twists I had to use 1 strand of the braiding hair because it was not enough, but I also did not want too much of it, so I'm happy that I only got 1 pack of the hair. But so far it's really good and I like it. So that's it. And then the last time again, remember in this section, because the middle part of my hair is thicker than the rest of my hair, I'm gonna have to part my hair into 2 sections before I twist it and distribute it evenly between the 2 braiding strands. So please watch carefully as I do this. And there you have it. I am done. I have 63 twists, and it took me like 6 hours, but I was getting up and going back and forth. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my Jamaican castor oil and I'm gonna oil my scalp because it's a protective style. I'm gonna have it in for a long while, so I'm making sure that my scalp is oiled. Then I'm gonna go in with my mousse, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm moussing that down so that it stays. And off camera I did trim a little. I didn't have a lot to trim because I didn't have much flyaway hair, but any flyaway hair that is left, the mousse will help to hold that down until they decide to resurrect again. And now for the edges, I'm using my Style Factor Edge Booster just to lay my edges, because yes, a girl got baby ear, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges, and we are all done. We are all done, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We have come to the end of another video. I hope that you loved how I did my very own, well, DIY passion twist. I absolutely love them. I've been wearing them for a couple days now, and I have been getting tons of compliments. It took me like 6 hours to do it, but I was just in and out, like taking breaks. I went to eat, I got up and walked around for a minute because I was sitting for too long. But in all, I'm happy that I was able to do this on my own, and it just cost me like what, $36, because the hair was from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description for it. I am gonna try this style again, but next time I think I'm gonna do them bigger so that it does not take that long. I did, as you see in the video, the elastic band method, but I did not crochet the hair through it. I braided my hair on it, but the elastic band kind of gave me what would I say, a foundation to use, since I haven't braided in so long and I've never braided my hair before. So this was the first time I've ever braided my hair, and it turned out really good. Let me know in the comments if you have ever done your own passion twist or braid in general. If you did, how long did it take, and what kind of braid did you do on your own? Now, if you like videos like these, go ahead, girl, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment please, and share. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a post. Until next time, be good. Mwah.